politicize Operation Sindoor, with Rahul Gandhi seeking a direct answer and a statement from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We are getting to know that a discussion on Operation Sindoor is in Lok Sabha is likely to begin from 28th of July. That's the latest update that we are getting for you right now. Remember, even today, Rahul Gandhi had raised questions on Operation Sindoor, and he decided to believe US President Donald Trump more than what Indian armed forces have said so far as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, and what the government has been saying so far on Operation Sindoor. And he once again, viewers, in fact, raised questions, on Operation Sindoor and questions India's foreign policy as well. And amidst all of this, we are getting to know that the government is ready for a debate on the Operation Sindoor, and this discussion on Operation Sindoor is likely to begin on 28th of July. It's going to happen in the Lok Sabha first on 28th of July. That's the big news we are getting for you. Meanwhile, listen in to what Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, had to say.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर एक स्टेटमेंट नहीं दे पा रहे हैं। ट्रंप ने कितनी बार बोला है? 25 बार बोला है। ट्रंप ने 25 बार बोला है कि मैंने सीज फायर करवाया। ट्रंप कौन होता है सीज फायर कराने? उसका काम थोड़ी है। मगर प्रधानमंत्री ने एक बार जवाब नहीं दिया। सच्चाई है।
Let me now go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, once again, Rahul Gandhi repeating what Donald Trump has been claiming so far on Operation Sindoor. The government, we are getting to know, is ready for a discussion on Operation Sindoor in Lok Sabha on 28th of July. What more details can you share with us?
Well, what we know is what happened in the Business Advisory Committee of Rajya Sabha today. They decided that in Rajya Sabha, this debate is going to start on 29th of July, which is Tuesday. So sources have told us, in fact, a day before, it is likely that Lok Sabha will start this on July 28th. This has been a long pending demand of opposition, where they said that they wanted to have debate and a lot of debate on Operation Sindoor. They wanted to ask a lot of questions from the government on the terrorists, and also on US President Donald Trump's statement on this particular issue. Having said that, government also said that we are ready to respond to it and we are ready for the discussion and debate. This also was raised by the opposition in all parties before the morning session started. They also wanted Prime Minister to take accounts. So
Right. There's some problem with the audio line out there, Pragya. We'll try and reconnect with you. But essentially, viewers, Pragya was bringing us this particular important piece of information. So in Rajya Sabha, the discussion on Operation Sindoor is likely to happen on 29th of July. And a day before that, which is 28th of July, is when we can expect discussion on Operation Sindoor in the lower house of the parliament or the Lok Sabha. So that's the latest update coming in. Let's now move on.